Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a low carb version of the KFC mashed potato bowl. You guys gonna love it. Stick around. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this thing. Here's a few of our ingredients we're going to be using. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. We got some protein powder, we got some cooked chicken, and guys, I got my chicken pre-cooked. That's going to make the frying process a little bit faster and a little bit easier, ensuring that you don't got no raw chicken. Let's stop talking about it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get this thing started, y'all. Alright, so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and crack those 2 eggs and get it inside a bowl. We're going to use this as an egg wash to fry our chicken. So what we also have here is our low carb breadcrumbs and our protein powder. We'll be dipping our chicken in all these ingredients before frying it. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with our protein powder first, and then into our egg wash, and then we're going to go ahead into our low carb breadcrumbs. So guys, what I actually did is I got all my chicken nuggets already, coated and everything. I set them to the side, and then I prepared to fry them. Just make it a lot easier that way. Alright, so let's go ahead and get out a frying pan so we can fry our chicken in. So like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, my chicken is pre-cooked, so it's not going to take me long to fry it. I'm just looking to get that crust on the outside, and then I'll be done. Now, you don't have to do it this way, guys. If you want to cook your chicken from scratch, you can. Just make sure it's done. I do it this way because I know my chicken is done, and now all I'm looking for is that brown exterior, that golden crispy crust that we look for in a KFC famous bowl. Well, keto KFC famous bowl. Alright guys, after we're finished frying our chicken, we're going to get out a saucepan so we can make our gravy. So we're going to start off with our butter, and like I said guys, everything will be linked in the description box below. Alright, so once our butter is melted down all the way, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken or beef broth, depending on which flavor you desire. Also, at this point, you can go ahead and add in any desired seasoning. I'll be adding in garlic powder and onion powder, some pepper. Alright guys, now we want to go ahead and stir and bring this to a simmer. And guys, please don't turn your stove up too high because this will happen to you. Oh man, you hate to see it. It happens to the best of us. Anyhow, once we have our simmer going, we're going to go ahead and add in a thickener. So guys, I'm using guar gum. You can also use xanthan gum in the place of this if you don't have guar gum. Either will work. We're going to let this boil down until we get to the consistency and the thickness that you want in your gravy. Alright, now that our gravy is done, we're going to move over to the cauliflower mashed potatoes. And guys, this is pretty simple. We're just going to go ahead and add in, I'm going to start by adding in a clove of garlic into my processor. I'm going to just do everything in the processor. So let's go ahead and throw that clove of garlic in and get that going. Alright, so you want to go ahead and add your 2 bags of cauliflower rice to the food processor. So guys, I actually cooked this in the microwave first, got it hot and everything, and then I added it right in. Then we added our butter, and we're going to season to taste with some pepper and salt. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and begin to mix it. And while it's mixing, guys, I'm going to go ahead and throw in some of that bacon. Not all, I want to leave some for garnish. And I want to throw in some of those chives, and I'm not going to use all of that either. I'm going to use some and leave the rest for garnish. Alright, the last thing to do, guys, now we build. Let's go ahead and start off with our mash, get that in the bowl. And since we can't use corn, we're going to use peas and carrots. Next, we're going to add on that beautiful gold brown crispy chicken that we did earlier, guys. It looks amazing. Man, it's going to be good. Next, we put on that gravy, and guys, look at that. Look at that texture. thick gravy, just like the non-keto version. Guys, let me know in the description box how you like your gravy. You like it, thick like that, or you like it runny? Let me know. Let me know in the description box what you think. Now we add on that extra bacon we had left over for garnish. And we're gonna go ahead and throw on the shredded cheese. You already know what we're doing over here. And then we're gonna finish it off with some of those beautiful green chives. Guys, check it out. All right, guys, that's it for the video. If y'all ain't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out. Go ahead and get subscribed. Hit the like button if you like the video. So you already know what it is. Another great recipe, another great idea, another day making keto easy. Y'all know the motto over here. We making keto easy by making everything keto. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.